All right, so we're here on site in Ohio. We got a customer, Brad Doepker. He's cracking open his warm source, which is our mechanical room in a box. You'll notice we create a custom box for these, and we're going to pop that open and make sure everything's in working order. All right, so we were just talking to Steve and the homeowner about one of the details that Steve does with his design. You've done a lot of work with Warmboard in the past.
Yep.
We've always done Warmboard as a structural subfloor on the main floor. We get our conductivity from our aluminum, but now that we have our turnkey Warmboard comfort system, we're doing a lot of tubing and slab in basements. So we're always going to design for 9 inches on center with that tubing in the basement. And then Steve, tell us about this assembly here that you did for the insulation and the pour.
Yeah, so all building slabs in the house, we always do 2 to 4 inches of insulation underneath. Here we use Halo's Subterra product. It's a polyiso 2 inches, probably right around what's that?
R4 an inch.
Yeah, R4 an inch. So it's about R8 underneath there. But you're really looking for that thermal break, and it turns up at the corner, at the ends, so that it's sitting up and basically fully encapsulates the slab. So it doesn't make much sense to put heat in the slab and then just lose that heat to the ground right away.
Yeah, people don't realize how much downward heat loss
Yeah.
exists when you don't insulate a slab. So yeah, insulating a slab is key. Designing for 9 inches on center with that tubing spacing, and then you attach that with clips then right to that Subterra.
Yes, definitely. And the beauty of Warmboard is you actually have some options. Here we put it in the slab, so you end up with the slab finish, but we have some other projects where we're using your R panels, which are the remodeling panels.
Yep.
The 3/4 inch, and we're shooting those down onto the slab, and we'll just run our tube in those, and then we'll be able to finish that like a hardwood, real hardwood floor or whatever.
Yeah, and that's something that we found with doing tubing and slab at 9 inches on center. We're able to do the same temperature water throughout the whole system. Warmboard itself is at 12 inches on center. So even at 12 inches, that's the widest tubing spacing in the radiant industry, but we also have the most even heat transfer in the radiant industry. So I absolutely see a lot of customers opting for that, doing the slab, insulating the slab, but then bringing in Warmboard R, which is our thinner, what we call our retrofit or overlay product. It's a non-structural panel, and you just mechanically fasten that directly to the slab.
Yeah, and one last little tidbit that a lot of people don't realize, some people would only put radiant upstairs and they wouldn't put it in the basement. And the problem with that is because of the way the heat is delivered, it really becomes somewhat of a luxury feel, right?
Absolutely.
Because you're literally, it's conductive heat coming into your body. And if you don't put it in the basement, then you come down here, and even though the air temperature is the same as upstairs, you're going to feel colder because of the way that heat is being delivered to your body now. And so, clients like Brad, the smart clients, they put the radiant heat and they do the complete system in the house. So that way there you get to appreciate it everywhere, and you don't come downstairs and feel cold.
Yeah, and this is, Brad, I think this is the last house you want to build, right?
That's right.
Yeah. So
The
he's
one
going,
only.
yeah.